Hi guys, welcome back sa akin channel. This is Besen TV. It's been a while before ako nakapag-vlog ulit dahil nga naging busy ako sa mga iba't ibang gawain sa trabaho. So, busy sa trabaho, busy sa bahay, busy sa lahat. So, kaya medyo natagalan. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay mag-unbox tayo ng ito, package from Kudu. Nag-order ako online. Gusto ko kasing gawin, magda-downgrade ako ng aking plan kasi masyado mataas yung plan ng Telus na binabayaran ko, which is like 20 gig, $75 a month. So, hindi ko naman naubos lahat ng data, like the 20 gig na nagamit ko lang is around 8. So, nag-check ako sa Kudu. Meron silang mas lower na plan, which is the $55 monthly, 12 gig data lang, and then unlimited call and text Canada wide. So tumingin ako sa website nila, nakita ko yung deal nila this Boxing Day. So nakita ko it's a good deal na meron kang plan 55 plus you can also add a phone, which is nakita ko it's only $1 a month for 24 months, with the free JBL earbuds worth $119. So kung isa-sum up natin guys, this is a good deal kasi nga halos libre na yung phone at libre din yung earbuds. So, kaya ako siya grinab. So, ang additional lang na nababayaran ko in a month is $1. Right? $1 lang babayaran ko in a month for 24 months. So, yan ang deal na aking nakuha from Kudu. Kaya ngayon guys, titingnan natin yung laman ng box na to. For sure, meron tong, nandito yung SIM card, bagong SIM card na pinadala ng Kudu, which is in-order ko online. Okay guys, so tingnan natin yung laman nito. Mag-unbox na tayo. Ayan guys, ayan laman. Ang aking bagong SIM card from Kudu. Ayan. And then the new Moto G phone right here. It's sealed, so this is brand new. Nice. Kudu Moto G fast phone. Okay, and then look at this. Look at this guy. Ito yung free na kasama nitong phone na to. So once nag-order ka nitong phone, libre itong Moto G. Itong Tune JBL Tune 125 earbuds. So look at that. So ang ganda guys, ang ganda. Look at that, right? So ito yung laman ng aking box, plus syempre still Telus pa rin siya to do. Then here's how to set up my new Kudu SIM card. Okay, so I'm not gonna use this phone. Kasi nga meron pa rin akong Samsung Note 10 Plus, which is siya ang aking everyday phone. So ito i-unbox natin to i-unbox din natin tong JBL earbuds, right? Nice deal. So $1 a month is only $1 phone, right? Good deal. So ayan guys. Cool. Ito yung phone. Unbox natin yung phone. Okay. Wow. Phone. Unbox natin siya. Wow. Wow guys, look at that. Look at the phone. So beautiful phone. Nice. Diyan. Ano naman itong syempre mga paperworks. Kasama rin itong pang open ng SIM card. Tawag na SIM card holder, I guess. Yan. Model G. And then fast charging. Look. What else? I think meron pa siyang headset. Oh no headset. Wala siyang kasamang headset. Okay. So guys, kasama ng aking good deal na in-order from Kudu. Look at that. Nice. About this, open din natin to. So free guys, free. 119 worth of free stuff from Kudu. Kasama itong phone. Kagat natin ito dito sa... There you go. Nice. May kasama siyang charger. Yan. And then ito ang kanyang case. Charger diretso. So, look at that guys. Look at that. Very nice. And the ear mop. I don't know how you call this. So it's JBL. Look at that. Nice. So may kasama siyang paperworks. There we go. Okay. So, ayan guys. Yan ang aking nakuhang good deal from Kudo. Okay. So, free and $1 phone. $1 phone. Free ang aking Bluetooth earpods. And then, yeah. There you go. Okay. Ayos ba? Well guys, sa tingin niyo, good deal ba yung aking nakuhang plan from Kudo? I think yes, kasi nga halos lahat libre, di ba? So nagbawas na ako ng babayaran ko, nakakuha pa ako ng mga extra freebies. So, ba? Tipid-tipid. $1 phone. This is $1 phone. So, ayan guys, sana nagustuhan niyo yung aking unboxing ng mga in-order ko from Kudo. At sana nagustuhan niyo yung deal. Sana umabot pa kayo sa Boxing Day. Sa mga nandito sa Canada na mga nanonood, sana makuha niyo itong deal na to, kasi talaga guys, napaka ganda ng deal. Kasi, di ba? $1 phone, tapos meron ka pang libreng speaker. I mean, not speaker. This one, JBL. So it's a good deal. Good deal, guys. Sobrang good deal. So, yeah, sana sa lahat ng nanonood na nag-enjoy sa aking video, sana mag-subscribe kayo. Please like and share the video. Kung nagustuhan nyo, please comment down below. And then kung may mga question kayo, don't hesitate to comment. And for you to watch more videos. Okay guys? Yun lang. Susunod, siguro gagawin ko yung review nitong phone na to, kung gaano siya ka-affordable and gaano siya ka-ganda. Kahit hindi siya ganun kamahal. Okay? Then review din itong JBL na earpods or earbuds. I don't know. So, yeah, gagawa tayo ng review nito guys. Okay? I think that's all for now. Have a good day, have a good night, and enjoy the new year. Okay? Happy New Year to all.